What is geopolitics, and why does it shape almost every major event happening in the world today? From wars and alliances to trade routes and energy crises, geopolitics is the hidden framework behind global power struggles. At its core, geopolitics is the study of how geography influences political power and international relations. It examines how physical features like land, sea, climate, natural resources, and location affect the decisions nations make. Mountains can protect borders, oceans can enable trade or isolation, and access to oil, gas, or fresh water can determine a country's strength or vulnerability. The concept of geopolitics became popular in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, when thinkers began to realize that political power was deeply connected to control over territory. British geographer Halford Mackinder famously argued that whoever controlled the heartland of Eurasia could dominate the world. This idea influenced major strategies during both World Wars and the Cold War. In modern geopolitics, power is not just about military strength. It also includes economic influence, technological dominance, cultural impact, and control of critical infrastructure. Strategic choke points like the Suez Canal, the Strait of Hormuz, or the South China Sea are geopolitically important because disrupting them can affect the global economy. Geopolitics also explains why countries form alliances. Nations with shared interests or common threats often cooperate to balance stronger rivals. NATO, for example, is not just a military alliance, but a geopolitical response to perceived security risks. Similarly, global powers compete for influence in regions like Eastern Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and the Indo-Pacific. Today, geopolitics is more complex than ever. Climate change is opening new trade routes in the Arctic, cyber warfare has created a new digital battlefield, and energy transitions are reshaping global dependencies. A country's geopolitical strategy must now consider not only land and sea, but also data, technology, and supply chains. In short, geopolitics helps us understand why countries act the way they do on the world stage. It reveals the logic behind conflicts, cooperation, and competition. If you want to understand global news beyond headlines, understanding geopolitics is essential because geography may be fixed, but power is always shifting.